In this session, we'll be dealing about what are the factors that leads to domestic violence. So let's get started. Let's discuss about what are the factors or causes that leads to domestic violence. This includes substance abuse, psychological problems, stress, So let's see them in detail. Substance abuse. Domestic violence typically co-occurs with alcohol abuse. Alcohol use has been reported as a factor by 2/3 of domestic abuse victims. Moderate drinkers are more frequently engaged in intimate violence than are light drinkers. Next, psychological factors. Psychological theories focuses on personality traits and mental characteristics of the offender. Personality traits include sudden burst of anger, poor emotional regulation, poor impulse control, and poor self-esteem. Various theories suggest that psychopathology is a factor, that is, violent behavior can occur along with some of the psychological disorders. Abuse experience as a child leads some people to be more violent as adults. Evolutionary psychological explanations of domestic violence is that it represents male attempts to control female reproduction and ensure sexual exclusivity. Next contributing factors towards domestic violence is personality disorders. People with certain personality disorders often tend to show violent nature to their partners. Borderline personality disorder is one of the main disorders that causes individuals to be aggressive in nature. People with histrionic personality disorder also have violent behavior as they always seek attention and control. Next cause is stress. Stress due to inadequate finances or other such problems in a family may further increase tensions. Violence is not always caused by stress, but may be one way that some people respond to stress. Families and couples in poverty may be more likely to experience domestic violence due to increased financial stress. Next factor is childhood experience. Children who witness or are the victims of violence may learn to believe that violence is a reasonable way to resolve against conflicts between people. Boys who learn that women are not to be valued or respected and who see violence directed against women are more likely to abuse women when they grow up. Next causal factor, socio-economic factors. This includes unemployment. That is, people often end up in distress and frustration due to unemployment, and this can lead to violence as a form of defense mechanism or to ventilate the frustration. And apart from unemployment, people living in low socioeconomic status are also more likely to show violent behavior. So we have come across many factors that leads to domestic violence, and there can be more factors that abusers may feel this need to control their partner because of lack of coping skills, isolation, excessive dependence on the abuser, or when they feel inferior to the partner in education. Hope that now you are aware about how domestic violence can take place. This lockdown period can really be a threat, and there are chances of increased number of cases. So be aware, seek help and stay safe. Thank you.